What's up everybody, Texicana Barbecue. Today we are in Jacksonville, Florida, and we're going to cook some Bloody Mary pork ribs. This is good. The only vitamin that I got today. That's it.
I'm an Italian chef that from Italy I moved all the way to Texas to work for the very best barbecue restaurant in business, to master the craft of barbecue. Now I'll teach barbecue worldwide. My name is Max and this is Texicana Barbecue.
It might seem weird, but if you think about it, the Bloody Mary mix is very similar to a barbecue sauce. There is Worcestershire sauce, tomato juice, tomato. The acidity, it comes from the lemon or the lime, but usually in barbecue it comes from apple cider vinegar. So very similar. We brine the ribs in water, lemon juice, a little bit of white wine, and a shot of vodka. Woo! The night before, alright, seasoning. Super simple as usual. We have 50% flours, 50% black pepper, and I would say a tablespoon of celery salt. Door seasoning. Back first. Top. Try to be as even as possible. You finish them up with some lime pepper, Fiesta lime pepper, and this seasoning is a bomb. Now we put our ribs in. We're going to run for about 2.5 to 3 hours at 250 to 260. We are 3 hours into the cook. Let's see. Our ribs, they look nice. They start cracking. They're nice and juicy. When you guys see this crack, when they crack, it's about time to wrap. They have a nice color. I'm happy with the color, so I'm gonna wrap them.
We let it ride our ribs wrapped for a good hour and a half on a temperature of 270. And after that will be time to sauce them. For sauce, I'm using a barbecue version of a Bloody Mary mix basically. Or you can simply add a little bit of ketchup and a drop of Worcestershire sauce to your favorite Bloody Mary mix. That's my favorite one. At this point, the only thing left to do is to let the sauce dry about 15-20 minutes. The sauce is nice and dry, ribs are fully cooked. I can tell by the way they bend, but they don't fall apart. If you want to know more information about how to cook a legit slab rib, check out my pork ribs video. Finishing touch, a little bit of rib glaze, which I cut it with half shot of lemon juice and half shot of Bacardi 151 for the flame effect. And yes, I got also a video for that. A generous amount of sesame seeds and lime zest. And now we can finally slice our Bloody Mary ribs. And guys, every time you stick a ribs in a Bloody Mary drink, somewhere in Texas, a pitmaster dies. For a flame effect, another half shot of Bacardi 151, just make sure your mother-in-law is not at home and your kid ain't watching. Pro tip, a fire extinguisher nearby could be very useful, just speaking for a friend. And from BBQ in Jacksonville, Florida, that'll be all for today. Support my channel by subscribing. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook as Texicana Barbecue. And I'm out of here. Ciao!